First, put the assembled stock parts into a hole. Fasten M-size self-tapping screws on the buttstock shell. Install O-ring on the bolt, fasten screw to fix it. Install a 15mm metal rod, fasten screws and fix it in position. Try to move on the bolt into the shell. File the surface in case the bolt is tight with the shell. Fasten cap screw to fix the parts in position. Leave a gap to ensure easy movement. Install RM4 screw nuts to this location. Insert metal rod to the hole. File the inside surface in case the rod is tight with the shell. Install 25mm metal rods to the R locations. Combine the shell with the metal rod location, fasten screws to fix it well. Apply lubricant on the O-ring as shown. Install the O-ring to the barrel and side groove. Insert the M4 screw nuts to the barrel sides location. Flip and fasten screws to fix it. Suggest heating on the spring, making it stick on the shell body. Insert 30mm metal rod and align with the holes. Apply lubricant on the insert between the shells. Fasten bicycle self-tapping screws. Install the parts as shown direction. Fasten 3M4 screws to fix it. Install the catch plate. Be careful on the item direction. Insert 20毫米 metal rod to fix it. Fasten 3M4 screws to fix it. Apply extra lubricant on the plunger tube wall and plunger plate. Location the screw holes on the plunger tube. Install respected location on the shelf. Install O-ring to the plunger plate as shown. In case unable to install, replace a smaller O-ring. Finish installation and insert pin to fix the metal rods. Apply lubricant on the barrel tube with bevelwork contact with the bolt. Install rails as shown. Fix the siding position with them 3 screws. Install prime rods in between the plunger shell. Locate the pusher rod direction. Hook side faces down. Install the parts as shown location. Fixed parts by M4 screws. Optional screws on these are locations. Install the side pusher in location direction as shown.